how to turn on block calls from unknown numbers on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone application. Next, we tap on the More button at the top and then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we go down and tap on Block Numbers. In here, tap on Block Calls from unknown numbers. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then you can go down and tap on Block Spam and Scam Calls. And here you can choose to turn this on or switch it off. From here you can also choose block all spam and scam calls or only block high risk scam calls. Now if you go back in here, you can add in a phone number as well to block it. So here, and then tap on add to add it to the list. You can also tap on contacts and select a contact that you would like to block, and that will also allow you to block a contact or a menu number. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.